Nako, para namang hindi kumakain ng sweets. Hello, everyone! Ayun naman na. Ito naman, mag-hi daw si Nikki Hill.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Hapon na ba? Tanghali. Papapi kasi. Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa mainit na pagtanggap. Sana po yung na-enjoy ninyo ang lahat ng inihandang matatamis. At mga dance number na mamaya raw ay si Papa P ay magpapa-unlock, right? Papa P ng isang dance number. So pakabangan po natin yan.
Gusto daw bumati ng actually birthday celebrant namin dito sa Thursday sa 26, si Yesha Camille!
Hello po! Hello po! Hi po sa inyo lahat! Magandang tanghali po. Hello po sa inyo lahat!
And of course, ang ating one of our guests, Axel of BBB! Ayan. Okay, so before we proceed with our next program, gusto lang po natin makakita ng ating isa sa ating mga panauhin. Of course, mabigyan tayo ng magandang kanta or production. Let us now call on stage, Andrea Brillantes!
Sir, pwede po ba
Song number!
Kung alam na po, sabihin niyo po ako. I had a dream so big and loud, I jumped so high and touched clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Stretch my hands up to the sky, we touch sweet roses to the night. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, please don't break me now.
Meron po tayo isa pang production number. Let us now call Zijan Haranilla!
Hello po, magandang tanghali po. Sunday morning, rain is falling. Still some cover shares some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. You just still fit the mold that I'm in. But things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. And I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it will lead me back to you. That someday it will lead me back to you. That may be all I need. Darkness, she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Traveling strong, Sunday morning, and I never want to leave. The weather's still together again. That may be all I need. Darkness, she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with
course, asan po ang ating kids from Hawak Kamay? Nandito po ba sila? Ayan, nandiyan po sila. Of course, ayan. Siyempre po, ayan. Ayan. Piolo and kids from Hawak Kamay. Ayan. And of course, ngayon, siyempre tayo po ay magkakaroon ng question and answer ngayon. Pwede po ba natin,
Salubungan ka na lang.
You are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always be around. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you stay in my heart. I feel like this is the beginning. Though I've loved you for a million years, and if I thought our love was ending, I find myself drowning in my own tears. Whoa.
Sunshine of my life. That's why I always stay around. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you stay in my heart.
You must have known that I was lonely, because you came to my rescue. And I know that this must be heaven. How could so much love be inside of you? You are the sunshine of my life. Yeah, that's why I'll always stay around. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you stay in my heart, in my heart. Thank you.
There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Hawak Kamay kids, and of course, Piolo Pascual.